Morning sun pierces reed blinds as I awaken on a clay mat beside my scrolls, papyrus dust dancing in golden shafts of light. Warm bread and dates await on a clay plate. Outside, Nile birds cry as my mother chants blessings to the household gods. I hurry through Thebes' bustling streets, past vendors selling lotus oil, carvers shaping amulets, and priests burning incense before temple gates. Massive pylons rise before me at Karnak Temple. Towering obelisks gleam with hieroglyphs praising Amun-Ra, god of sun and kingship. Inside the scriptorium, my master unrolls ancient scrolls. Ink pots clink as we mix black from soot, red from ochre. I copy sacred texts carefully, reed brush trembling in hand, aware each stroke echoes spells whispered by ancestors. A robed priest enters abruptly, clutching a sealed scroll marked with the Eye of Horus. This must reach the high priest by dusk. Tasked with the delivery, I slip the scroll beneath my tunic and exit through shadowed columns, heart pounding with sudden duty. I cross the Nile by papyrus skiff, ferrymen silent as vultures circle above and crocodile eyes gleam beneath the surface. West Bank sands scorch my feet. Ahead, tomb workers haul stones while Anubis statues loom like eternal sentries. A hidden trail leads behind Hatshepsut's temple. I pass weathered hieroglyphs whispering forgotten rituals lost to living memory. Descending a narrow shaft, I reach a chamber guarded by falcon-headed soldiers. Here, secrets of the priesthood are preserved in silence. The high priest, veiled and regal, accepts the scroll, unseals it with an amethyst ring, and reads by flickering torchlight. His expression hardens. A celestial omen threatens Pharaoh. This must not reach the court without divine interpretation. He commands me to witness a ritual. Robed acolytes pour libations, chanting in tones that echo from deep stone. Incense chokes the chamber as a sacred ibis is released into a painted sky, its flight to determine Egypt's fate. It circles thrice and vanishes into the sun. The priest whispers, Ra accepts. Our path is clear but guarded. He presses a carved scarab into my palm. Take this to the astronomer priest atop the valley's watchtower before sundown. Climbing ancient stairs, I pass carvings of star gods and cosmic maps inked in lapis and gold. The astronomer greets me under a stone arch. He places the scarab on a celestial dial, aligning it with Sirius. He gasps. Tonight, Osiris's shadow returns. A hidden tomb shall reveal truths older than dynasties. Torch in hand, we descend through a temple's false floor. The air grows colder, whispers riding the windless dark. We enter a chamber untouched by time. Walls shimmer with astral charts, and in the center, a coffin shaped like the Milky Way. The astronomer reads star-etched inscriptions, prophecies etched in obsidian foretelling the rise of a ruler born from the common class. As dawn breaks, I return across the Nile, scroll gone, heart full, guardian now of a secret that could shake eternity.